Have you ever wondered why we shake hands when we meet someone, or why we slurp noodles loudly in some countries but find it rude in others? These daily habits might seem ordinary, but they're packed with social meaning. Today we're diving into the sociological perspective, seeing the strange in the familiar, a way of looking at everyday life through a fresh set of lenses. Sociologist Peter Berger called this the sociological perspective, a way to step back and see how our personal choices are actually shaped by society. Imagine you're getting dressed in the morning. You think it's all about your personal style, right? But think again. What you choose to wear depends on what's considered normal in your culture, like wearing a suit to a job interview or avoiding bright colors at a funeral. Emile Durkheim would argue that these shared norms are part of what keeps society together. He called them social facts, the invisible rules that guide our lives. Or let's take dining. Eating with forks and knives might feel natural in the West. But in many cultures, eating with your hands or chopsticks is the norm. These aren't just personal choices. They're shaped by traditions, religion, and culture. That's what sociologists mean by social construction, the idea that what we see as normal is built by society. Even simple greetings show us how culture shapes behavior. In Japan, bowing shows respect, while in France, a kiss on the cheek is the norm. American sociologist Erving Goffman said we're all like actors on a stage, performing roles depending on where we are and who we're with. He called this dramaturgy, life as a performance. Seeing the strange in the familiar helps us understand not just our own culture, but also how others see the world. It reminds us that there's no single right way to act or think. It's all shaped by the groups we belong to. So, next time you're sipping coffee, wearing jeans, or greeting a friend, pause and ask, why do I do this? Where did this come from? That's the power of the sociological perspective. It opens our eyes to the bigger picture. If you enjoyed this journey into the strange and familiar, don't forget to subscribe for more fun and engaging sociological doodle videos. Share this with your curious friends and help us grow this community of learners. Let's keep exploring the world, one social habit at a time. See you next time.